My wife and I have been collecting mid-century furniture and decor for nearly 2 decades. Started small. A mint green breadbox from a flea market, a 1960s pink rotary phone found at a yard sale. We never imagined we'd actually find the kind of house that would fit all of it. But a couple years ago, we stumbled across this 1956 custom ranch in Jasper, Indiana. And I'm not kidding, the second we stepped into that basement and saw the bar, the fireplace, the kitchen, we just looked at each other and said, this is it. The house had been gently updated in the 70s. So there was work to do, but it was almost all there. The turquoise appliances, the built-ins, the tile, even the bathrooms with their pastel sinks and funky wallpaper. We were committed to restoring everything that had changed and preserving everything that hadn't. We repainted, repaired, hunted for vintage finds, and slowly breathed life back into the dream. The Tedooo app became a huge help along the way. Even though it's mostly for crafts and DIY, I found a few people there who could ID original fixtures, help me match paint tones, and even point me toward a local shop that had cabinet pulls identical to the ones we were missing. We shared the journey on my Tedooo shop profile too, and it actually turned into a little side business selling retro home decor and restoration tips. The feedback has been so encouraging. You can imagine how special it feels when people who truly get the aesthetic leave comments like, "That pink fridge is everything." This home means more to us than I can explain. It's not just nostalgia, it's preservation. It's knowing we re-walking on original floors where another family raised their kids and hosted their friends. It's honoring the past while still making it our own. And it's finally having a place where our collection isn't too much. It's perfect. Thanks for letting me share it with you all. If this resonates with you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Haven in Hand for more stories of vintage homes, heartfelt restorations, and spaces filled with memory and meaning. Every like and share helps others believe they can find or create the home they've always dreamed of.
A few weeks ago, another commenter and I were both swooning over a gorgeous tile from the tile bar. You know the one, elegant, timeless, and let's be honest, pricey. We wanted that look, but not the sticker shock. So we went searching and found a beautiful alternative at floor and decor, more affordable, still stunning, and totally doable on our wet bar project. I couldn't reply to her post thanks to Facebook's temporary block, but I wanted to share this update just in case she sees it, and in case you've been looking for a wallet-friendly option too. This is going up in our basement wet bar, and so far, it looks amazing. We've got it tiled all the way up now, even into the window frame. It has not fully grouted or finished yet. Still very much a work in progress, but already the transformation is incredible. Sometimes the best design choices aren't the most expensive ones. They're the ones that make you smile every time you walk by, without making you panic about your budget. If you're working on a renovation, hunting for tile dupes, or just love seeing real projects come together piece by piece, please like this video, subscribe to Haven in Hand, and hit the bell so you don't miss what comes next. Your support helps others feel confident. making beautiful choices, no matter their budget, because great design shouldn't be reserved for magazines. It should live in our homes, our bars, and our everyday lives. At 72, I've recently emerged from a 36-year marriage, during which my ex-husband evidently found me profoundly unexciting, and honestly, I can't blame him. My days are filled with what he considered painfully mundane pursuits: knitting, pottery, floral arranging, sewing, baking, canning, gardening, and tending to children and animals with relentless devotion. I even built a cob oven in my backyard for baking pizzas and breads, though I frequently singe my eyebrows from leaning too close in the heat. My pottery, he dismissed it as kindergarten-level craft, though I prefer to think of it as rustic folk art. What else would you expect from a retired elementary school teacher? And yes, I suppose teachers are stereotypically dull. Even my dog lacks drama, so calm he doesn't even bother chasing the chickens. Despite living on a bustling road in coastal New Hampshire, I've hosted black bears, moose, deer, foxes, coyotes, skunks, groundhogs, and even a bobcat. Yet I'm so unremarkable that they all seem to overlook me, though my chickens remain on high alert. My parakeets were so starved for stimulation, they went ahead and bred twice, raising 9 chicks just to break the monotony. Now that I'm single, I expect to sink even deeper into this tranquil dullness. I wear a size 7 and a half shoe common. Unremarkable, utterly ordinary, and the bananas, I eat one daily, which probably makes both of us the epitome of predictability.